I thought you guys might want to hear this. Now, don't listen to Ed getting our garbage together to go to the dump, but... Oh, I guess they don't want you to hear them. Oh, the crows are going now. See, we call it the, listen. I said the birds are having their meeting.
Yeah.
Can you hear it now? It doesn't happen all the time, but they come from like all over and they all go in these trees. It's like they're having their annual meeting. Oh, it's not annual because it feels like quarterly. I think it's like quarterly. It's almost like you can hear them going, well, I say, oh, here, it's like they're all like talking. Don't mind the recycling. I haven't heard them in a long time out there. And Ed was recycling and I was like, oh my gosh, the birds. Look at the chickens. They're like, what's up? What do you think, Chicks and Roo? You like the birds? Oh, look, they're flying away now. They're going in different directions. Look at... I can't film both at the same time, but they're literally like going in all different directions. Just... Oh! Did you hear the owl? I mean, how many different birds are out here right now? If I wasn't half dressed, I'd go outside, but I am, so I can't. And now the chickens and the rooster just ran over to the tree area. Seriously, it's like a meeting, I'm telling you. I've heard crows, and then what's that one that goes? That one, an owl. Do any of you speak bird? I can hear animals when they want me to, but otherwise it just sounds like chirping to me, unless it's an energy. Like I just said, like I heard somebody like, oh, I say, and they're like, here, it's like I feel like they're just all like voting, or I feel like they're voting on something, like it's a tribunal of some kind. I don't know. But when I heard the owl, I was like, what the fuck? And what's that one that's making that pretty noise? It's just so cool. The last time it went on for like hours. And I'm like, what are they saying? Did you hear the owl, Ed?
No.
Did you get everything?
Yeah.
Okay, Ed was heading out, so I thought, oh good, I can get it now without the car. There they go. Some of them. See what I mean? It's a trip, dude. It's so cool. It just goes to show you how powerful nature is, and like they're not just birds, right? I mean, birds are like one of the most powerful animals on the planet. I mean, think about it. They get to fly. They get to soar above high into the air. They get to look at things from a different perspective than we do, right? So I feel like that was just a little message from the bird community and letting you know they got our back. They're in council. They got our back. They want us to know everything's going to be okay. Oh, what's that? Do you see that out there? Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, sorry. I can't see because of the glare. There's a glare. But do you see what I see out there? There's something. I don't know how much I can zoom in. There. Do you see that? I can't see it because there's a glare on my phone. But I'm like, what is that? What is that? I can't zoom in anymore. Do you see that dark thing in the grass? I guess when I look at my camera, I'll be able to see what it is. It might just be a bird. I don't know. It just looks really, really big from here. I mean, I'm pretty far away. But as you can see, like there's mole things, like where you can see, or groundhogs or something, but that's different. It's bigger. And is it moving? It doesn't look like it's moving. Sorry, my neighbor. Huh. I'll have to check it out later. Okay. See, the birds are done now. No more meeting. Have a blessed day. Bye.